योगी किसु बुक्स के साथ रात रात के पढ़ाई कभी ना करे बात.
I bet you wish you had an anthem when you were in college. That perfect song capturing all those late night study sessions, file parties and lifelong friendships. But let's be honest, between exams and Maggie noodles, who had time to write music? Well, what if I told you that dream isn't dead? That's right. We are about to dive into how AI is giving us a second chance at nostalgia. That's when I stumbled upon Suno AI, a tool promising to generate entire songs from just a few prompts. Could this be the key to creating the college anthem we never had? Here's the fastest way to create your anthem with Suno. Just head to the suno.com website and create an account here. The free subscription works for us because it allows you to create 10 songs per day, which is fair enough. So you can see here a lot of songs have already been created by the other users. These are all AI generated songs. You can play any of these and so it doesn't sound like it has been created by an AI, but they have been created all by AI. Now this is a create page for us, and here we have this song description box. Here we have to enter our prompt. I have already created a prompt and I'll just copy paste here, and you can see I've written a rap song about group of 5 friends from XLI MBA college. I have mentioned the name of my friends and I've also mentioned the nickname for each. Let's click on the create button and let's see what it creates. So it has also given a name to the song, which is XLI Squad. So our rap song is ready, and it has even created the lyrics with all the verses and everything. And now let's play the song.
Library nights, studying hours. Bunker, cha-cha, wisdom he speaks. Guidance, flow, and advice so sleek. Surreal machine, workhorse grinding. Pressure builds, he keeps on climbing. XLI Squad, legends in the making. Friendship strong, never gonna break it. 5 heroes, each a different vibe. Living large, MBA tribe. Makes the creative guy mind on fire. Idea spark, takes them higher.
Now let's try to create the same song in Hindi, because we always wanted to create our song in Hindi. So let's see. Now let's see the Hindi song, how it has generated.
XLI की पंचों का याराना, उत्कर्ष डारा सबका प्यार पुराना. योगी किस्सू किताबों का दीवाना, दोस्तों का साथी कभी न छोड़ना. अंकुर चाचा सब पे रखे नजर, हर मुश्किल में ये देता सबके कमजोर. शरत लोड मशीन टेंशन का मास्टर, हर प्रोजेक्ट के साथ करता जल्दी ओवर. ये है अपनी गैंग XLI का 5 स्टार, हर एक का अपना स्टाइल, अपना यार. मिलके लिखते हम अपने सपनों की बातें, जिंदगी है खूबसूरत बनाते नई रातें.
So it always creates 2 songs for each prompt. So let's see.
ये कहानी XLI की पंचों का याराना, उत्कर्ष डारा सबका प्यार पुराना. योगी किस्सू किताबों का दीवाना, दोस्तों का साथी कभी ना छोड़ना. अंकुर चाचा सब पे रखे नजर, हर मुश्किल में ये देता सबके कमजोर. शरत लोड मशीन टेंशन का मास्टर, हर प्रोजेक्ट के साथ करता जल्दी ओवर. ये है अपनी गैंग XLI द 5 स्टार, हर का अपना स्टाइल अपना यार. मिलके लिखते हम अपने सपनों की बातें.
So I really liked both the songs. The Hindi versions were much better than the English version. Not bad for 2 minutes of work, right? But here's the thing. While this quick method works, it barely scratches the surface of what's possible. Want to know how to craft a truly personal anthem that captures your unique college experience? One that doesn't sound AI generated at all. In my next video, I'll show you how to combine ChatGPT and Suno AI to write custom lyrics that hit different.